Hi, I'm Niall. Welcome to this video on factorising quadratics using the cross method, and this is the fourth video I've made on this topic. And in this video we are looking at quadratic expressions where the middle and final term are both negative. Okay, so for example we have x squared minus 4x minus 12. So we start off as always with our cross, and we know that x times x is going to give us x squared. So what are the factors of 12 that we can work with? Well, times 12, we have 2 times 6, and we have 3 times 4. Now we know that our final term here is negative, so we're going to have one negative and one positive, because minus times a plus will give us a minus. So if we put a minus 6 here and a plus 2 here, which are the factors of 12 here that we're working with, let's see how that works. So now we have x times x will give us x squared. Perfect. Plus 2 times minus 6 will give us minus 12. That's what we want. And then going across, we have minus 6 times x is minus 6x. And plus 2 times x is plus 2x. And when we sum them together, we get minus 4x, which is just what we want. So the factors of this quadratic expression are, we draw our line across here and we look at the top set, we have x minus 6. And we have x plus 2 are the factors of x squared minus 4x minus 12. So now if we look at x squared minus 2x minus 24, start off as always with our cross. X times x is going to give us x squared. And what are the factors of 24 that we can work with? Well, there's quite a few in fact. So we have 1 times 24, we have 2 times 12, we have 3 times 8. We have 4 times 6. So we know that we're going to have one negative and one positive because our final term here is negative, and we have to have a minus times a plus to give us a negative. Okay, so let's go with a minus 6 up here. Let's work with this one, and a plus 4 down here. So we do our checks. X times x gives us x squared. Perfect. Plus 4 times minus 6 will give us minus 24. Now we go across and we say minus 6 times x gives us minus 6x, and plus 4 times x is plus 4x, and that will give us minus 2x, which is just what we're looking for. If we draw our dotted line across here, the top set is our first factor, x minus 6, and the bottom is x plus 4. So these are our factors of x squared minus 2x minus 24. Let's look at another example. Let's look at x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, start off with our cross, x times x, and the factors of 3 aren't that many, so we know we're going to be working with a 1 and a 3. All right, so we know also we have a minus and a plus, because plus and minus will give us a minus here. Okay, so let's go with a minus 3 and a plus 1, and we do our checks. X times x is x squared. Lovely. Plus 1 times minus 3 gives us minus 3. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Plus 1 times x is plus x, or plus 1x, whichever you want. Minus 3x plus x gives us minus 2x. So the first set here, x minus 3 is our first factor, and x plus 1 is our second factor. Okay. So in the last example in this video, we're going to look at 3x squared minus x minus 14. So we start off as always with our cross, and we say 3x times x, because we know that's going to give us x squared. Now what are the factors of 14 that we could possibly work with? Well, we have 1 times 14 and we have 2 times 7, and that's it. Okay, so let's say we know this is going to have to be a minus, so let's have a minus here and a plus here. Okay, so let's experiment a little bit with this. Okay, let's say we have a minus 2 here and a plus 7 here. X times 3x squared is 3x squared. X times 3x, I should say, is 3x squared. Plus 7 times minus 2 is minus 14. So far, so good. Now going across, we have minus 2x. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And plus 7 times 3x is plus 21x. Now, minus 2x plus 21x does not give us minus x, okay? And that's why we have this cross method, okay? So that we can experiment a little bit, okay? So let's swap them around, and we put our 7 up here and our 2 down here and see how things work out. X times x is 3x squared. Super. 2 times minus 7 is minus 14. We're looking good. Going across, we have minus 7 times x is minus 7x. And plus 2 times 3x is plus 6x. So minus 7x plus 6x is minus x. Okay, and isn't that exactly what we're looking for? So we can draw our line across here, and we can say that our factors are 3x minus 7 times x plus 2. Click the link in the comments for a short worksheet with solutions. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Connect with me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter and Facebook. See you the next time.